Hello folks and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna talk about Termux again, and specifically I'm gonna tell you how to install Termux add-on boot. What this add-on is doing is basically running a script when your device boot. It's gonna run scripts automatically for you every time that you restart your Android device or starting your Android device. This is very good if you're making some kind of web server or Discord bot or any kind of other bot in general, because it's gonna start automatically and you will be able to use it. So how we gonna install this Termux boot add-on? I'm just gonna open my browser and I'm gonna visit this fdruid.org website. We're gonna scroll down and on the find apps we're gonna type Termux. After we type Termux, the search is gonna give us a bunch of other add-ons as well. For example, if you see here, we have styling. If you install styling with this add-on, you will be able to put colors and to customize fonts in the terminal. If we get, for example, this API add-on, we will be able to access Android and Chrome hardware features via Termux. Tasker, we're gonna be able to run tasks to call Termux executable, so on, so on. You can look for it. At the moment we want to install Termux Boot, so I'm gonna click on it. The website is gonna open, and here we're gonna do exactly what this text give us, like an instruction. So termux-wake-lock is gonna allow us, even when our Android device lock Termux to be alive, and SSHD server, it will allow us to connect remotely to Termux from our PC or from whatever you want to connect. So we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna download this latest version. It's from 2019, so we're gonna download this file. Once it's downloaded, we're gonna click on it, we're gonna install a package, install, and open the package. Once this is done, one very important thing is you need to set up this Termux Boot application. You need to set up on your Android settings battery optimization for Termux Boot application to be off, so that way you will be sure that the Termux and Termux Boot is gonna work properly and not gonna be interrupted if for some reason your device decides that this application don't have to work on the background side of your Android device. So once we have that Termux, we have this installed and running. What we need to do is start Termux. So I'm gonna go and type Termux. And here, as we can see, Termux is started. We're gonna type this manually, so when we work remotely from our PC with Termux on our Android device, when the device lock is not gonna interrupt our connection, so we're gonna type Termux wake and then lock. This will prevent when our phone or tablet locks the connection to be you alive, and we're gonna start, of course, the SSHD server, so we will be able to connect remotely. Now I'm gonna open PuTTY on my computer and we're gonna do the next steps from there, because I don't want to type from here, it's really annoying. Now that we start PuTTY on our computer, we're gonna have to connect to Termux. I know that the IP address is ending 103. We are inside Termux. Now we have to create directory inside Termux that is called boot, and inside this boot directory we're gonna create file, and in this file we're gonna put the scripts or the commands that we want to run every time that our device it's starting for the first time automatic. This is the command that when we execute it, it's gonna create inside Termux boot directory. I'm already having this, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna enter inside this directory. So I'm just gonna press CD, and I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it here. So I'm inside this directory that we just created. Since I already have it, I didn't create it, but when you type the command, you want to create it. Inside is a file that I made, as you can see, start-sshd. How you can make a file, we already run through that. You just type cat, the file name, and then the text inside. Since I already have a file, I'm just gonna open this file. So I'm gonna type v start-sshd, and inside this file, what I'm doing, so as I said in the beginning, executing termux-wake-lock. This will allow when the device that Termux is running is locked to run without problem on the background, and I'm starting automatically SSHD server that I can connect remotely. And here, because from time to time I'm running some kind of scripts, I just started a script that I made automatically. This is like a Discord bot, so it's starting automatically. One thing that I want to notice is when you're starting some programs that is in different directories, make sure you type the correct path, right? How you gonna know that you type the correct path? You can type exact command like this. As you can see here, Python and the path where the file is. You can type exact command here. And if here is running, after you typing all the directories and stuff in the file name, and if here is running normally, that means inside your starting file is gonna start without any problem. Pretty much this is how you do it. It's pretty simple. First you install boot on your Android device, then you start it on your Android device. Make sure for Termux and Termux Boot add-on, you have the options on your device that is saving battery life. Turn it off and allow this application to run in background. And after that, you go on Termux, you type termux-wake-lock and then SSHD. That way you will be able to connect remotely, and when your device is logged in, it's not gonna disconnect you when you connect remotely. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.